Good evening, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 182. We just got a call from Glendale, California, which is only a few miles from where I live, and it's for iPhone 6 Plus Black Space Gray. And we just got here, and we're going to change that for you for the elder lady, and we'll just show you how it goes down. So stay wait for it, and we'll be right back. Peace.
Ջուրի մեջ։
Հա։
Ու չի աշխատում, էդ էլ է սարքում, թե չի։
Այո։
Սարքում ես։
Հա, բայց նայած ոնց անգե, եթե ընկելա ջուրի մեջ ու մնացել է երկար ժամանակ, չէ։
Չէ, ինքն է, անել ես, ասենք թե ֆենով է։
Hey guys, we just finished that phone. It was an iPhone 6 Plus Space Gray. She was very happy. She blessed me for my great work and you know, all the other good blessings that the elderly usually give to the younger people. And I just felt really good, and it felt good to help somebody and make their day, make their evening, and then make yours too as well. Since you feel like fulfilled by their feedback and stuff, etc. you get. And that'll conclude vlog 182. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you in vlog 183. And in the meantime, have a beautiful evening, morning, day, afternoon, and whatever time zone you are in. Peace. Cut.